Elfin. Okay, Elfin. What's the meaning ng Elfin? Elfin, elf. Elfin is an elf. Inhabitant of fairyland, Elfin. And then, foil, alam na natin yan. Metal ship foil for baking, for cooking. Information, short for information, info. Fine, okay. Find adjective of nice quality and find another one. Asa na yun? Noun. Wala na yun. Asa ng noun dito? Noun. Something that is fine. Particles. And another one. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Maraming salamat. This is an H vlog. I'm gonna show you here now. 5, 3, 4, 1. So, nakailan tayo? Marami-rami na rin. Let me show to dito na lang sa chat. This is my screen. Channel dashboard, channel content. Dito ako sa channel content. Mag-end tayo. 5 millionaires, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So I have may demo tayo. Demo. So this is the live stream. Ayan. Ito yung mobile phone view. Mobile phone live stream tayo. Screencasting ako. And let me check. Papasok ako dito sa YouTube Studio. So, this is what you see on your mobile phone using the browser. Nasa browser tayo. And I'm going to enter dito sa YouTube Studio. Yan. Okay. This is the YouTube Studio environment. O di bakit ang kita? 4 na lang natitira dito. Okay, sa inyong 4 na nandyan, maraming salamat. Bakit ito kasi nandito sa ano ko? Dito, 7. Pero 4 na lang. Anyway, DisnH, thank you so much for here. Maraming salamat. And viewer activity pala. So, I'm gonna show to you. Ito yung viewer activity. Let me, Stephanie GL. Thank you. 12:37 p.m. 12:37 p.m. Yung pinakita ni yung chat ni Stephanie GL. Saging. Thank you so much for this, Stephanie GL. Okay, so ito yung chat. This is the chat. Yan. DisnH vlog, thank you for staying. Oh, puro letter din. So then, we can filter. Yan, filter natin. Chat. Live chat. Dito tayo. You can see chat filter. Yan. Ano ko muna yan. Let me do this. Oh, diba? You can see. Can you see what I see? Pwede ko siyang ipakita ng ganyan. Alright. So, magaganito tayo. Fun funding. Sa fun funding tayo. And, di ko makita. Ayan. Okay. Fun funding. Ngayon nasa baba. Yeah. Chat activity. I'm going to screenshot this one. Thank you so much, Stephanie G. Screenshot ko to. Gonna screenshot this one. So, pwede ko siyang, wait. I'm going to make Ito, this is how you do your highlight using the browser.